Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Tab S10 Lite, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So in this video I'll show you two different ways. The first one is much more user-friendly, it's quite easy, and the second one is more advanced. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to find the software update. So as you can see, this option is actually highlighted here. You do not have to enter different sections. So just tap on software update. Let me tap. And as you can see here, we've got something called auto download. So let's tap on it. And here we've got different options. Make sure that you don't have this never option applied. Simply tap on using Wi-Fi only. I do not recommend using mobile data because you might be charged. So just use Wi-Fi only, and from now on, if you've got the internet connection and if the update is available, your device will automatically download it. And the second way is to use developer options. So let's start with going to About Tablet, which is at the bottom of this left section. Then we have to scroll and find software information, and here we've got this build number option. So keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. As you can see, if you've got any kind of screen lock, you will have to enter to confirm the whole step. So just do it and confirm it with OK. We've got this information, so we can go back to this left section and scroll down even more, because as you can see, the developer options will appear right under the About Tablet. So just tap on the developer options, and here we have to scroll down just a little bit actually to find this auto update system. And all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher. And from now on, since this option is active, your device will automatically apply the updates whenever the phone will be restarted, and of course whenever the update is available. So you actually won't even notice that you've got the system updated. It will everything will happen kind of in the background. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.